Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the schedule and map panel on the task page. Let's get started. Click on the Tasks button to open the task page. If your account has access to more than one company, select the desired company. Then expand the Schedule and Map page. The top of the panel contains a calendar showing users with assigned tasks. In our example, we see that 3 team members each have tasks due today. The map component displays color-coded job site addresses for each of the tasks visibly displayed above the map on the calendar. Let's talk about the calendar for a minute. Click the Week button to view calendar weeks and see all tasks assigned for the week. Notice that the map now displays the location of tasks visibly displayed on the calendar. Click Month to view calendar months. Click the left and right buttons to view the previous and next month. Same with Week and Day. Click the left and right buttons to view the previous and next day. The button called Share Displayed Tasks allows you to email, make a CSV map file, or print all tasks visibly displayed in the calendar. Every task is available on the Blade mobile app, but you might still want to share tasks using these methods. Click Assign to filter displayed tasks by user. This could be especially useful during stand-up or shift change meetings. Click on the assigned user to reassign all visible tasks from this user to another user or role. I'll assign all tasks from Nick Jones to Ron Gaines. Click on the task tile to open the task. We can see these tasks are now assigned to Ron. This feature is especially powerful using roles. For example, assign all night shift tasks to the day shift in a single click. Use the task tiles to edit tasks. Click directly on the task tile to open the task detail screen. Changes made to the task, such as assigning it to another team member, are reflected in real time on the calendar and map view. Open any task to view key job information like documents and job photos. The schedule and map view is an ideal screen for management oversight. It puts the schedule and route information at your fingertips and allows you to review key work assignments while reviewing daily task notes and photos taken at the job site each day. This is an ideal screen for shift change updates, daily stand-up meetings, or end-of-shift recaps. Drag the task tile to automatically change the assigned time, or drag it to another displayed user's task display to automatically assign it to that user. Expand or shrink the task tile to change the scheduled time window to complete the task. Click the Screen Expand button in the upper right of the map to see the full screen view of the task map. Zoom in and out and pan the map to dig into route details. Select your preferred map view. Toggle between map and satellite views. Turn off label visibility. Display map terrain. Tasks are color-coded by the assigned user or role. This view allows you to instantly verify that job and sales lead tasks are properly assigned to minimize travel and optimize routes. You can even get a street view of the assigned job location to familiarize yourself or others with the area and property. Click back out to exit street view and full screen map view. All right, that's a good overview of the schedule and map panel on the task page. Explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.